Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Alright, so let's begin. Let's go to your Roblox homepage and sign into your account. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right, then select settings. In the account info section, you'll notice that there are no options to add a phone number. Roblox no longer requires a phone number, and you just need an email address or age verification. If you need to fix this or have an issue, you can seek help by tapping on the settings at the top right again and selecting Help. This will take you to Roblox support. Scroll down and tap on Roblox account, then select I need help with my account. You'll be directed to a page where you need to find and tap on Keep your account safe. On this page, scroll down to the bottom and tap Contact Support. Here, you'll need to fill out the fields with your username, first name, email address, confirm your email address, and issue details. Describe the problem you're experiencing with the missing Add Phone Number option in Roblox. That's how you address the missing Add Phone Number option in Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.